of endless possibilities.
You never go forget. Say I miss you, oh my dear. And your calls are not enough. How I wish you were around. Yeah, you know that I'm falling for you, lucky. Girl, I will never leave you lonely. We go day on top of mountain, drag out all your way. Can I take you dinner, dinner, dinner? Oh, bana, bana, bana. Come to me, bana, bana, bana. Can I take you dinner, dinner, dinner? Oh, bana, bana, bana. Come to me, Amanda, and I go take you to Belling now. Belling, 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 Belling. Oh, my city, Belling. Holiday for you, Belling now. Belling, 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 Belling. You want to be more? It's don't give me trouble. You give me no more, no more. It's ain't nothing no more. You be my lover. You really be like pick you up in the party. Bring it on what is on your mind. You're being it is a bunny and candy. And all that you promised to show and tell me no time more soon when I'm right here. You and I together.
Eni anu na dafa yeshem wa homo na kwaba ba GCK show season 7. GCK show yamba frama jumeza ya shama frama was it the one Adum Achezi Ezi. And the yeni team for GCK show season 7 a talent switch. In the when you pakwana bayanan say pakwana sawa. Yeah, start the second round and you pakwana on so a baby before for. Yeni sponsors for this show. Becky K Restaurant, Nellie's Juicery, The Havens Workspace and Coffee Bar, Justina Efo Hammond Foundation, Balquest Techniques, and Ayano Collaborators, Ghana Education Service, Ogwa Traditional Council, University of Ghana Learning Center, GTAs in Ghana Initiative, and a Ghana Monument and Museum Board. Yeni media partners TW Radio and a Coastal TV. Pachomo chamwaba yeba yezi show no batiodo.
Telling me what I owe you. Telling me what you wanted me to give you. My darling.
GCK show. Yabada brofi edu funyina ase. Dawa baba na GCK show ase. Yabada young judges as a Miss Cindy. Pochembo sama Miss Cindy. Ankrato. And I am guest judge. Ama Aketesia. Pashadama de biaya yanono. Ndasu ya boswane ya to yana national anthem. Pasha woman answer. GCK show. Poshe ebo train no abaye baye zidwumezin botiedo. GCK show. And the first contestant, I'll be show nano. Or you'll be also. Listen is the baby Gabo. For champion, someone shall baby Gabo.
From dancers, I sacrifice my love for you. Oh, Gilly for me, girl, because I want your sapirita, yes, we want your sapirita, yes, we want for me, girl, because I want your give me some of your body, give me peace.
GCK show. Judges, please, your comment.
Baby Gabo, how are you? All right. So, I saw the Danambua. I think under Swiss talent. All right, you did well. I like the fact that you came in with Indian rights song. You did so much. First time you were from, it was so perfect. I will enjoy you. Okay, well done.
GCK show. Next on stage, we have two dancers. GCK show. Judges, please, your comments.
Beat breakers. My dear pa. They be amu breaky beats no pa. So keep it up. We'll see you again.
Beat breakers, please, you can go backstage. Next on stage, we have a dancer. She goes by the name Wasi. Passion someone Wasi.
Hey, no. I wish you'd be my lover. Yeah, I wish you'd be my number one. I'll be happy if you're mine. See, I love you, but I just shy you. I wish you'd be my lover. I wish you'd be my number one. I wish you'd be my lover. I wish me now you video you when I wish you. Teach me back, dead out, teach me you know, dead out, catch me back, dead out, teach me you know, dead out.
Feel that? It's me today. My name is Dance Code Lloyd. Dance Code Lloyd. I'm gonna be your
Zinabu, you know say my send me couldn't do. I really don't want me to be mango. Who send me to body I can do. Zinabu, you know say my send me couldn't do. I really don't want me to be mango. Who send me to body I can do. Zinabu, Zinabu, Zinabu,
Sakoto Sahib, Mambo Mutia Sahib, me na my name be good we go but I got for back Ragota Kutuba high spirit no be joke, you speaking tongue, go check, make you go down low. Mambo ya one side, Nanabu, Zinabu, Nanabu, Zinabu.
It's your boy, D to the EMZY, but yeah. I'm your bully. Bonus. Zozo. I reckon damn. Twist I calam. Thumping, I hold my gun. I shoot and feel calam. I'm to scream please Zatan. Twist it on to Zatan. As we say like Kaiban. Come through my school Kaidan. I quit, I score, I can. You quit, I win, I can. Don't touch the camera, then you pan. If you say if I come, then you run.
GCK show. Let's hear from our judges.
First thing I'll say is you look beautiful. Baby girl, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
And I like the way you used the stage. You went around. The switching between the beats and the songs, you did well. Keep it up.
What's please, you can go backstage. GCK show. Next on stage, we have a poet. She goes by the name Fosia the Poet. Pachempa Sambonshia Fosia the Poet.
Mama wan adjo in pain for the moon and no way shemaha. Wajama henoa. I win some mamu beke. What to nizin me a bestiaba? Me a bestiaba, me a bestiaba. Fit to tini nara. Wakade baby or namu when you jazzy. Nanso in Denbury, ma amamu wakanye there. Musumoko school, na ma be ni pati tirbi wadachi. Emi besiaba, muko school sa. Emusumo to my adusin bain. Tateno se obiwa, wase. Biara emenyan in besiafo. Amaze, mamu wakachi on ye there. Ayaza amusumo wa akukudura motum. Mazaya nzama in bayinfuni naraye. I am a girl. I am a girl beyond labels. I am full of capabilities. Capabilities a man cannot have. I, standing here, I also know what to do, and I know what I can do best. I am better more than the females. All that I know is that take me to Ya Asantua. I am a warrior. I am an intellect. I am a politician. And I know I can do best than the males. Thank you.
Judges, please, your comments.
Joshua the poets. Ayaze. All right. Your poem was able to, educate us a lot. Some of us have been motivated, especially Bishafo Hangina. Linking your Santua to the current trend. The idea being to me, Bessia then Utumuoye. I had the papa. And the blend of the, there become a fusion of English with the fancy to just on point. You did so well. Well done.
A round of applause for Fosia the poet. I'm reminding you that in the year eviction, and then so Obi Bokofi, into yet na vote am my favorite contestant. Next on stage we have a dancer. She goes by the name Angel Baby. Portion for some point share Angel Baby.
Wow. Mambo, mambo, mambo.
Every man be God, aye. Every man be God, aye. Every man be God, aye. You ain't talking, you ain't talking, man talking, go talking, you be God,
Judges, please, your comments.
Angel Baby. Send our bar stage in an AFP, so I expected some kind of performance to be. Once I would the traditional costume nearby and all the pots by. So and I would you see a more, should I say, after it would be better send the trainers waha or montier. So would you see costume be say it should mostly go with an African background. Aside that, every other thing was nice. To keep it up. Thank you.
GCK show. Pashamaka one day. In the show, it's in 2 parts. Any team a talent switch. Into my wabayen. Next round, wabaye be before. It's a surprise. Into Bia, Obia, Obasawan, Oba, Obatonium, Oba, Obey acting. Into you anticipate. You better young collaborators as a Ogwa Traditional Council, Ghana Education Service, University of Ghana Learning Center, GTA December in Ghana Initiative, and a Ghana Monument and Museum Board, any media partners, CW Radio, and a Coastal TV. Poche Boko for short commercial break. Yeah, by the Jumazin about Yadu. GTK show. Them I'm carried that one. And they any team a talent switch. Into Sunday Pako Nasawa. Ebi on the baby before. Then first contestant for this round, Wasi. She dances, but in there also the bomber though. In the ancient my Wasi woman, but she for some boy she Wasi.
I'll get ready. Are the girl them time right now? Are the girl them time right now? Position, get ready, Dolphin marathon. Me love how the girl them a carry on. The wine they a one in a million. Y'all make me scald me, just scald me, baby. Let me see you walk it, walk it, walk it. Y'all and y'all walk it, walk it, walk it, walk it, baby. Girl your body good, good, wine for me, baby. Girl your skill with the style, I make you wine up your body, so. Say you're hotter than a sauna. Think turn up and loud, everybody now. Brace and hold me close, me girl. When you tip on your toes, me girl. Out and cleaning on your clothes, me girl. You own me night and all night. Let me see you walk it, walk it, walk it. Rock out, girl, walk it, walk it, walk it. Whenever you're lonely, just call me, baby. Let me see you walk it, walk it, walk it. Girl and girl, walk it, walk it, walk it, walk it, baby. Girl, your body good, good. Wine for me, baby. Who is coming next? Another girl come. Wine up your body, fun can't done. Inna the tropics, girl hot inna the sun. Girl a bubble up and then back a broke it down. Wine in tradition, hey. From Africa to the Caribbean. Yeah. All over the world, all over me, girl. You don't need no permission. Girl, let me see you walk it, walk it.
Stay, fear.
Shut one leg.
If you want a tester, stop right there, I'm not your tester. Yeah, massa, go with you jai kasa. I'm deaf when you talk, because I've been ready to jam my man call. It's your type, punch you in the air, Ojo.
GCK show. Let's hear from our judges.
What are you me fepan? Da ben am beji.
Any day.
You Mati. So you're a dancer and then you decided to do modeling. Okay, that's nice. I could see the dancing in the modeling. So you didn't really switch because you were dancing. But you did well. It was beautiful. The dresses are nice. You did well.
A round of applause for Wasi. Next on stage, we have a poet. But today, she is singing. She goes by the name Fosia the Poet. Passion for someone, she has Fosia the Poet.
You see, she's a lady in my pajamas. Top of the morning matter. Of the four we together. Get ready for another. To talk of the morning matter. Meeting, I'm never plan. Music, I can say, don't I play bam. To a big bam, to a big one. And the morning if I am going mental. Sweetie boss, the minutes get you. Mini action of a course, so I just easy with them, go easy with them, not be related. Let me chance to me, she did it. This car delay, I carry machete. Then I just go on the chase, so smile on my face, so who me a shake. Oh, so, same party now to a zero. Nobody wanna go. Politics, there's politicking. Your body got there. Say I read. Nobody got there. Don't try to run now. Do you feel what I'm feeling? You say you do, but I don't see. You say you know what I am going through, but I don't know. So I just easy with them, not feel it. Let me stand to me, cheated. The music I delay, I carry machete. Then I just go on the chase, no smile on my face, so me a shake. Oh, slow. So I just easy with them, not feel it. Let me stand to me, cheated. The music I delay, I carry machete. Then I just go on the chase, no smile on my face, so me a shake.
A round round of applause for Sia the poet.
Fosua the poet. Ada Jumtini, Ayaze, you did so well. I like the swag, okay? I like the swag, all right? Your lyrics, everything was on point, okay? You did so well. My only problem was that your energy level was not that. I hope you understand. Yes, I want to see more of it next time, okay? All right, and then again, you rehearse with a song. All right, if you have issue with their pitch, you can ask them. They can tune to a, what do you call it, a key that will be suitable for you. At the point in time, we're off here and there, but aside that, you did so well. Okay, well done.
A round of applause for Fosia the poet. Pochayama hangezi. Pochayama hangezi. GCK show. Next on stage, we have a dancer. Today, she's singing. She goes by the name Baby Gabo. Pachayama someone Baby Gabo.
It is finished. Dinala song. My shoulder babano. Dinala bo. Mr. DJ. Mama do me bina. Daddy lumba bueno. Yegebe to me meswana miko. I need a wonder. Daddy lumba bueno. I'm gonna me. The meswa. Namiko. I never did it. I'm in let's go. Now what happened? Namabuama. Bounce on the message. Nah. Osama. Obiaka that the nah. Mabuama. Obiaka no the message. Osama. Obiaka the message. Let's go. Come on. Now what's that? Left. Right. Left. Sana someone to a net to be to no pay. SOB to the door. On to Sana samu dana teleresno. Ibina militi yo, ababa yoko. Jerry akamenko. Enye biani yako. Amo tiana baskolo bachu pa sapalo no ansuje. Indumia says they are meeting usia. Shazamina meshushaya sibeunda. Finally, Osama, Obiaka de Mamene, Mabuama, Mausano on the message. Osama, Obiaka de Mamene.
Judges, please, your comments.
Baby Gabo, why are there pa? They're now way and not no, you did very well. All you have to do is to believe in yourself. I don't know and be sure of it because you are good at every single thing that you do. It's in a way I then be sure of it, own it. No, be on whose I don't know and you are doing it. You understand? And see, you've done well. Thank you.
Baby Gabo, please can go backstage. Next on stage, we have our creative art contestants. Our first creative art contestant goes by the name Claire Kelly Arts. Pochenfa Sambonsha Claire Kelly Arts.
All right, Claire Kelly Arts. What do you have on the paper?
We have a drawing of a whale, and we can see some.
Louder, louder. I can't hear you.
We have a drawing of a dolphin, and there's some birds here and some coconut fish here.
Okay, so basically it's about the forest, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right, it's beautiful. I love it.
Thank you.
It's so nice, huh? So colorful. Well done, well done. Well, I like that. It's a beautiful piece of art. Okay, keep it up. Well done.
Thank you.
Clap for them. One more say more. Why is it?
Our next creative art contestant goes by the name Stevo Art. Portion for someone share Stevo Art.
I wanna be something, of course I'm a beer. Win-win, there's no competition. When I play with the souls, that's silly. One man no fit do one.
Stevo.
Yes, sir.
What's in then?
Okay.
What's in then? Oh yeah, all right. And that bad I am my end.
Galamsey.
What do you have on the paper? What is it about? And yeah, they're not drawing or yeah, bad.
I wanna wood to good.
Oh yeah, then.
Wanna wood to good.
Galam say. It's what to Gala. Our paper no do. Hey, good in what you them here. I ask. But there be a catch out there, you see. A competition. What's surface the baby major and the white in it. We could have done something better with that space. And when again, there be a catch out who painted the way I color work. I am on stand out enough. It's a way to win a year. A young one waka galam say na. Come here, me wish you were paper no do. I tell ya, the next time I color. Mon stand out, mon you bold, in terms of depth and everything. No look more real. Bandama, you are good to go, okay? Okay, well done.
GCK show. Next on stage from our performing arts, we have a dancer, but today she has switched. She's saying a poem. She goes by the name Angel Baby. Portion for someone share Angel Baby.
Mema wana ajo min painful. Business mina erabo abrabo. Eda wo to asasi dunana asat dero abrabo na. Abrabo ya zibia o manyimpa kwechi. Abrabo ya zibe o manyimpa yenyimzi bebre. Abrabo ya zibe o to de bi oye de wo to de bi oye red. Abrabo ya zibe oye kozenzen se anhwe bebi ye na njina na nko orunsu ye. Abrabo ya azibia onhia papa yenim panyimfo kade amambra yantutu na ase damaso na abrabo yantutu na ase nti mpanyimfo we hyemu ha mbafama munuan mo nti na abrabo yerebo wo meyembo ni ye meda wana ase.
GCK show. Judges, please, your comments.
Angel Baby, UPA na me dream so be something cultural because when I dress it depicts culture. Iti why are there abrabo but unante dodo inti na ukasa no yenti ni you were not audible enough. It's next time makasa nimpie ni yenti ni why bebre o ha kan ya yante. Ena nanti no limit nanti no pace dodo. Okay, but you've done well. A dancer, yeah, dancer. You've done well, very well.
GCK show. Next on stage, we have a contestant from the visual arts department. Today he is dancing. Portion for someone shares Stevo Arts. Judges, please, your comments.
GCK Show. Sibo, c'est ça, Oscaron. Sibo. Oh, Sibo. That's our talents. You say, yes, Sibo art, Sibo dance. Oh, this is lovely. Sibo, aya. Sibo. Aya, papa. The excitement on your face, the energy level, the movement, the steps, we all enjoyed you. I think this should be your talent, not the drawing. What do you think? Is it not your you were so excited, dancing, and we all enjoyed you, okay? You did so well. In fact, this should be your talent, not the art. Well done.
GCK Show. I can tell you are enjoying the performance so far. We'll go for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. GCK Show. Next on stage, we have two contestants from our visual art department. They are here to say a poem. Portrait for someone share Claire Kelly Art.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are named Kekeli Art. The poem we are coming to say is named Art. We are named Kekeli Art. The poem we are coming to say is Art. Art. You whisper in colors, bold and bright, a silent dance of shade and light. You speak without a single word, a song without a voice be heard. In every stroke, a story is told, a mirror to the heart and soul. Emotions come alive through you. Art. Thank you.
GCK Show.
Moya dear, I know you are not poets, but Moya dear, if you work on your coordination and communication between Moa, I believe you do better in it, but you've done well. Thank you.
Clearly, yes, please, you can go backstage. GCK Show. Pochayama Hanyezi. Our last performing contestants for today, we have Beat Breakers. They dance, but today they are singing. Pochayama Sambonsha Beat Breakers.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Sunlight in a beautiful sea. I choose to be happy. When you're like diamonds in the sky. Shooting star I see, a visions of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. Well, a diamonds in the sky. I knew they would become one right away. All right away. At first sight, I saw the energy of sun rays. I saw the light inside your eyes. Tonight, you and I
beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond, oh. Shine bright like a diamond, oh. Shine bright. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond, oh. Shine bright like a diamond, oh. Shine bright. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Power rise to the universe as we moonshine and Malin. You're the one who will never die. We're like diamonds in the sky. You're shooting star, I see a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. At first sight, I felt the energy of sun create. I saw the life inside so shine tonight. When we are beautiful like diamonds light. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond, oh. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond, oh. Shine bright like a diamond, oh. Shine bright. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. So shine bright tonight. You and I. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Eye to eye. So I like. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Oh yeah. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
GCK show. Manto, GCK show. We'll take the comments from our judges.
All right, Beat Breakers, you did so well. First of all, I must say your dressing, your outfit looks so appealing, okay? It looks so fresh and so alluring. That is beautiful. Now to the song. You did your best. And we enjoyed you. My only issue has got to do with, your coordination was good. But then the song, if it's well rehearsed, DJ at a point in time, so that we can hear you. Alright? The timing, your timing was not all that good. Okay, listen to the tempo. And at a point in time, maybe no matter what, you should have been at par with the pendant tone, so that you be on the same page or same level. Aside that you did so well, well done.
Beat Breakers, please can go backstage. We'll go for a short commercial break. Yeah, the show the best was. GCK show. Makai one day and their eviction. Voting is officially closed for today's show. But before anything, I would like to acknowledge our sponsors and collaborators. Ogwa Traditional Center, GTA December in Ghana Initiative, and a Ghana Monument and Museum Board. Yeni media partners, TW Radio and a Coastal TV. Yabada Yeni sponsors Ase, Becky K Restaurant, Balquer Techniques, Knowledge Juicery, Continental Souvenirs, The Havens Workspace and Coffee Bar, and Justina Ifahamon Foundation. GCK show. It's time for eviction. Can we have all our contestants on stage? GCK show. Can we Pasha Emma Hangezi? Pasha judges, you bring your final comments for our contestants.
All right. GCK show. All right. Today you've done well. Regularly, you all did so well. All right. However, voting on I vote for one vote. One vote. One banner, one favorite. One children, one sour. That way, no AJ. They cheered you up. You are not voting. International. Who favorite who fear na wona ye wo men to abano ya fe obi ho ya ze osapa nije na vote nti no kofi aya da ma aya areho aya asefem nti wo ma ya to abano ne ya to diye awofo wate ya enyankofo wate ya to abano no ya fe ai
GCK show. So that's all from our judges. It's time for eviction. Wasi, step forward. Beat breaker, step forward. Baby Gabo, step forward. Oh gosh. Baby Gabo, Hagwasi. Baby Gabo, Hagwasi. Wasi, we'll see you next week. A round of applause for them. Estivo Atier, please join them. Those at the back, you can go backstage. Can we have all our contestants on stage?